Spring break is just around the corner, and whether your family is dreaming about heading to the beaches or an exciting adventure or even a family-friendly getaway, I've got you covered. Stick around for the ultimate guide to planning a stress-free, memorable spring break. Hi, I'm Christina at Let's Make Memories Travel, where we like to help families plan unforgettable vacations. Today, I'm sharing my top tips for spring break planning, budget-friendly destination ideas, and insider advice to make your trip as smooth as possible. First thing first, start planning early. Popular destinations fill up fast, so you'll want to make sure that you book your accommodations, your transportation, and the activities now. Don't forget your kids' school schedules so you don't overlap any other commitments. Pro tip, if you need help deciding where to spend your spring break, why don't you head over to our blog at Let's Make Memories Travels, where we've listed out some great spring break destination options. Picking the right destination for your family is going to be key. Whether you're looking for a beach getaway, a theme park adventure, or something educational and fun, like the Ark Encounter or the Creation Museum, there's something for every family out there. Spring break doesn't have to break the bank. Consider road trips to save money on flights. Look for all-inclusive packages. Also consider traveling midweek to save money on the best deals. Plus, don't forget to pack your favorite snacks and drinks to save you money on the go. Pack smart. Make sure you're bringing weather-appropriate clothing, sunscreen, or any travel documents that you might need. And if you're road tripping it, don't forget to download some movies or games to keep your little ones entertained. If you're feeling overwhelmed with all the options, let me help. As a travel agent, I can make your planning process simple, stress-free, and maybe even save you some money. Just reach out and let's make memories, and let's make this spring break your family's best yet. Are you ready to get started? Don't forget to check out our blog for our spring break destination ideas and what we're looking at doing this year for spring break. And don't forget to subscribe for more travel tips and inspiration. Let's make your next family vacation a memory to last a lifetime. Thank you for watching and happy spring break planning.